Okay, this is my custom gaming mini ITX PC that I'm building here. I've got a Corsair H100i here installed, and it's fine, it's working well. The temperatures are really cool here with my i7-4770. This motherboard here is a MSI Z87 gaming AC with Trident RAM. Everything's running fine apart from the stock fans that come with the H100i. They're a little loud, and let's see if you can pick them up in the video here. I can turn the system on. So that's full fan speed. System just coming on at the moment, and there's this noise when they idle that I'm not too happy with. That's the noise now, if you can hear that. I'm also going to change the configuration of the fans so they pull, because on the top of the case there is actually a dust filter here. So having a pull setup would probably be better for the dust, at least building up on the radiator. So now I'm about to install some new fans. Hopefully they'll be a lot more silent. And which are these ones here. These Noctua fans, which is the NF-F12 premium fan. They're supposed to be quite quiet, so hopefully this is going to improve my idle noise, because I don't find that acceptable. Others will, but for me that's just too loud. I like my PCs as quiet as possible. Okay, I've got the fans in now, and the difference is amazing. They're just so much quieter. This is full load, by the way. Full load running Prime 95. As you can see, my graphics card is missing. I've pulled that out for the purposes of this video. Here we go, I'm running here Prime 95, and max temperatures here are around about 74 degrees. The room temperature is around 28, 30. Summer it's quite warm, and I'm running a relatively mild overclock of 4.4 gigahertz with 1.218 volts on the CPU. That is a Haswell i7-4770K. And these fans here, in my opinion, amazing. Really, really good. NF-F12, Noctua, Austrian. And I'll just turn off Prime 95 so you can hear what the fans are like when they're idling. Super quiet. Okay, fans just popping down now. Idle fan speed. Huge difference. That's a big difference compared to the stock fans that Corsair gave me with the H100i. It's so quiet now, the system. And so there we go. So if you're not happy with the H100i fans, I recommend you get these ones. Definitely. Well worth it. They're not cheap, but if you're after a quiet system, then that's amazingly quiet. Thanks for watching my video.